Hey boys and girls, so for today's math lesson, we are going to be focusing on addition within 10. So to get our minds ready for today's lesson, we are going to start it off by counting to 10. So are you ready to count with me? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting, okay? So today we are going to be focusing on addition. So the first problem is 5 plus 1 equals blank. So the first number that we have is the number 5. So we are going to draw 5 circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the second number that we have is the number 1. So we're only going to draw 1 circle. So when we add, we know that we take both sets of circles and add them together. So careful, count both sets with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. So read the equation with me. We have 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good counting, boys and girls. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this problem. And the next problem is 4 plus 6 equals blank. So the first number that we have is the number 4. So I'm going to draw 4 circles, okay? The second number that we have is the number 6. So we are going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we're going to put both groups of circles together and count them all. So careful, count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 10. So read the equation with me. We have 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay. Give me just a second to erase my board. All right. So the next problem is 2 plus 4 equals blank. So the first number we have is the number 2. So we're going to draw 2 circles. The second number that we have is the number 4. So we're going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to count both sets of circles. So careful, count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is the number 6. So read the equation with me. We have 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, so give me a second to erase the board so we can do another one. Okay, the next is 10 plus 0 is equal to blank. So the first number that we have here is the number 10. So count with me while I draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the second number is the number 0. So now I don't add any more circles. So if I didn't add any more circles, and I know that I drew 10 circles, I know that my answer is going to be the number 10. But just in case you wanted to make sure, we can always go back and careful count. All right, so count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we were indeed correct, and it was 10. Okay, so let's do another problem. Okay. All right, so now we have 8 plus 1 equals blank. The first number we have is the number 8. So count with me while I draw the circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 circles, and then the second number is the number 1. So we're only going to draw 1 circle. So we're going to put both groups of circles together and count them all. So count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. So read the equation with me. We have 8 plus 1 equals 9. All right. Okay, so now we have 1 plus 7 equals blank. So the first number we have is the number 1. So we're only going to draw 1 lonely circle. So the second number we have is the number 7. So count with me while I draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so now we have to count both sets of circles. So careful count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is the number 8. So read the equation with me. We have 1 plus 7 equals 8. All right, good counting and good adding. All right, let's do only a couple more. So we have 5 plus 4 equals blank. So the first number we have is the number 5. So count with me while I draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the second number is the number 4. So count with me while I draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to go back and count, and careful count, both sets of circles. Okay, so careful count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is the number 9. All right, so read the equation with me. We have 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay. Let's do only a couple more. All right, so now we have 3 plus 1 equals blank. So the first number we have is the number 3. So count with me while I draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. The second number we have is the number 1. So I'm only going to draw 1 circle. So now I'm going to count both sets of circles. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is the number 4. So read the equation with me. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Good job, you guys. Alrighty. Alright, so the next problem is 2 plus 6 equals blank. The first number we have is the number 2. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. 1, 2. The next number we have is the number 6. So count with me while I draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to add both sets of circles together. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is the number 8. That's a weird looking 8, but an 8 nonetheless. So read the equation with me. We have 2 plus 6 equals 8. Good job. Alright, so the next problem that we're going to do is 6 plus 1 equals blank. So the first number is the number 6. So count with me while I draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second number is the number 1. So I'm only going to draw 1 circle. Alright, so we're going to count both sets of circles. So careful count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is the number 7. Alright, so read the equation with me. We have 6 plus 1 equals 7. Alright, good counting, you guys. Alright, so to finish off today's lesson, I want you guys to do a couple by yourselves. Okay? So, the first problem that you guys are going to work out is 3 plus 6 equals blank. So, 3 plus 6 equals blank. So, I want you guys to use the method that we've been using throughout this entire video and solve this problem, okay? So, go ahead and pause this video while you work it out, okay? So, are you ready for some answers? Alright, so we have the first number is the number 3. So, I'm going to draw 3 circles. The second number is the number 6. So, I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we need to add both sets of circles together. So careful count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is the number 9. So read it with me. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Good counting. Alright, so the final problem for today is 5 plus 4 equals blank. So go ahead and pause the video while you solve this problem. Okay? So now I am going to solve it for you to see if we get the same answer. Okay? So the first number is 5. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. The second the second number is the number 4. So I'm going to draw 4 circles. So now I need to count both sets of circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is the number 9. So read the equation with me. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Good work today, you guys.